Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring another original knot. This is the October Wreath. Let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to put a pinch in here like this. Put in a dimple, bring it over to the center. We're going to come around underneath it like this. I'm going to come up and over like so. Kind of tighten that up. Then I'm going to do a wreath right here. Go over the top like so. Then I'm going to have it folded in half like this. Come down across like that, kind of at a diagonal like that. And then back around like this and through like this. Then what I'm going to do is put the wreath, do a wreath and put it through this. Well, let me just put it through here, and then I might have to redo the wreath. Yeah, here we go. And then do another wreath here. And come through this. Kind of creating a little O right there for October. And then we're just going to put it through this top one. I'm gonna do that. So here's your little O for October. And then there's the rest of what you got. So let me put my collar down. You guys know where to find this on Instagram. If you want to see the picture of this, it's going to be Simmonsessentials on Instagram. So on your own style, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. Catch you in the next video.